In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Asana step by step. Start by heading to the Asana website, which is simply www.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana and don't have an account yet, you can select Get Started or Try for Free to create an account and join us on this journey. With your dashboard open, it's time to create a brand new project. Locate the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. In Asana, this is your go-to place for organizing all your upcoming projects. Once you're in the project section, look for the Create Project button. Give it a click and you'll be presented with various options for templates. You might find a template like Marketing Plan or Product Launch that fits your needs. However, if you prefer to start fresh, you can choose Blank Project. This gives you the flexibility to tailor your project from scratch. Now, it's important to give your project a meaningful name and decide on a view that works best for you. Asana offers several views, including list, board, calendar, or timeline. Think about what will best help you visualize and manage the project efficiently. Let's talk about what your project should accomplish. Clearly defining your project goals is the next crucial step. Ask yourself, what are the main objectives? What are you hoping to achieve? By defining these goals up front, you set a clear roadmap for the tasks and milestones that need to be completed as the project progresses. With your goals set, it's time to set up sections within your project. If you're using the list view, you'll want to create sections to effectively group tasks. Typical sections for many projects include research, design, development, testing, and other phases relevant to your project's needs. To add a section, navigate to the plus Add Task button, and just below it, click on Add Section. Once your sections are in place, it's time to dive into the details by adding tasks. Click on Add Task within each section to specify the individual tasks necessary for each phase or milestone of your project. Make sure each task is clearly named and, if needed, provide descriptions that further explain what the task involves. A task is not just a line on a project, it is an action item that needs an owner and a deadline. For every task you create, assign it to a team member responsible for its completion by clicking the Assignee field and choose the appropriate person from the list. Don't forget to add due dates. This ensures everyone involved knows when their tasks need to be completed, keeping the project timeline on track. And there you have it, your project plan is all set up in Asana. By following these steps, you'll provide clarity and direction for your entire team, setting your project up for success.